Hello Hyderabad, I am Anjali and we are back with the lots of new collection of ready-made designer blouses. So we have Bollywood blouses like beaded one, zari ones. Let me show you something. So first we have a beautiful zari blouses. It has like full sleeves. You can see sleeves has a lots of multi-colors like green, red. So you can pair it with any color of saris or skirt or lehengas. Then next we have a beautiful Bollywood style. This is our most demanding and trending piece. You can see it has the completely dabke ka kaam it has, and it has a golden color, beautiful golden color. So you can pair it with the lots of your saris, lehenga and blouses. So this is the gold color. We have lots of colors and sizes in this. Then nowadays corsets are very in trend. So we have a beautiful mirror work double corset. You can see it has a full of mirror, like heavy mirror it has, and it has a like lock. All mirror has lock. Back side it is adjustable and inside margins are also available. We have a lots of colors and sizes in this. Next we have a beautiful grey color bandage top. You can see this is tube top. The back side is adjustable. You can see the string adjustable, the side adjustable also, and it has a beautiful stonework design on it. You can see this is a whole under wired blouse, and this is a padded blouse. We have lots of like colors and designs on it. Next we have in same in corset the beautiful pink color with the multicolor zari work on it. You can see the beautiful thread zari in it, and this is the corset blouse. It has a inside strings also. You can see this is the strings. If you want to attach the strings, it has the strings also, and this is the back side adjustable, and it has side margins also. We have lots of colors and sizes also in that. We have beautiful dark brown shade blouse. It has a long sleeves. You can see the sleeves has a beautiful girls dancing on it. This is a Rajwada blouse from the Rajasthan. You can see the beautiful neck part in this, and it has a lots of multicolor prints, floral prints, doll prints, and a zari border on it. It has completely zari work on blouses, and this is the back part of the blouse. You can see beautiful round neck it has, and it has back strings also. So if you want to buy, we have all sizes, all colors in it, and more beautiful designs we have. Gold blouse that I showed you, इसमें हमारे स्पेशल डिमांड की वजह से हमने न्यू कलर लॉन्च किया है. You can see this is a beautiful orange color blouse. It has a completely pearl work in it, and then we have a complete stone work also in it. You can see the back designs on it. It has strings, then bottom it has a hook pattern. Then we have a lots of new colors in it. Like first you can see this is the gold. Then we have a grey, beautiful ash grey color. Then we have a beautiful dark blue color in it. Then next we have a pink, baby pink color in it. Then we have a beautiful lavender color. Then we have beautiful electric blue. This is high on demand nowadays. Then we have a off-white in this. Then we have a beautiful light gold color. Beautiful black corset. It has a fully handed like hand work in it. You can see this is completely pearl work and stone work in it. This is a beautiful corset blouse. You can see this is the back side adjustable. Back strings are there, and inside margins also. And beautiful, this is a black design. Then we have a next pattern on the same. It also has pearls and diamonds on it, but this is a little different design. It has a sequence and it has a floral design on it. So we have a lots of new designs on it. We have a most loved piece of our store. You can see this is the Radha Krishna pattern blouse. This is a pure white blouse. This is raw silk fabric. It has multicolored thread work on it. You can see it has a mirror, then it has a stone work also. This is the beautiful close neck back this is the Radha Krishna pattern, and elbow sleeves it has. This is multicolor Radha Krishna on it. Sleeves में भी इसमें आपको beautiful सा border मिल जाएगा. This is front hook, और इसमें सारे sizes available है मैम. We have a double corset again. You can see beautiful pearl sequence and stones designs on it. This is a double corset pattern with the like dark gold, or you can say mehendi green color. This is also back adjustable from the strings inside, and it has inside margin like 8-inch inside margin. So if you want to like make it big or small, you can do it. And the second color in it, we have a gold color. This is the gold and sky blue color. You can see this is also double corset pattern. It has a pipe work design, stone work design, and it has a pearls also. So these are the two colors in it. In special customer demand, we have beaded work with sleeves. So this is the elbow sleeves, beautiful red color Sabyasachi design. It is completely beaded work. This is a georgette fabric, and in it, in the golden pipe work, pearls work, and sequence work in it. This is the elbow sleeve. This is the back pattern. You can see this is the back hook pattern in it, and we have strings also, strings with latkan in it. This is the first red color we have. Then we have a maroon color also as well. So our customer has a lots of demand for that blouse. So next we have a black color on it. Then we have a gold color, and last but not the least, we have a beautiful green color on it. And especially we have a silver and white pattern on it. So total we have 6 colors. We have all sizes and colors on it. Nowadays girly girls are demanding with the corset in low range. So we have a starting low range corset with us. So you can see this is a full netted fabric, and in this we have a 3D flowers and the beautiful kardana work on it, pearls work on it. So this is also back adjustable and side adjustable corset. This is black and grey color. Then second, we have a beautiful white color on it. This is also a fully netted fabric and 3D flowers with the beautiful kardana work or pearl work on it. Then we have a beautiful Bollywood blouses. You can see first we have a bralette blouse. It has pearls, crystals and kardana work on it. This is the back side adjustable, the bow pattern on it. So this is our most lovable piece by our customer. Then second, we have a Bollywood style beautiful sweetheart neck blouse. It has kardana, pearls and sequence work. The beautiful blouse, it has a lots of color like rose gold, silver, white and black. Then this is my handmade piece. You can see beautiful Gajji silk fabric. It has collar, padded and front hook blouse, and it has a closed neck, elbow sleeves. You can see the back. This is a beautiful doll dancing on it. The doll has a completely handwork, patchwork in it. Then we have a beautiful tablas pattern on it. This is completely patchwork. It has pearl work on it. And the beautiful color, we have lots of colors. If you want to order something, you can DM me. Nowadays, because of corsets are really on trending, so we have a beautiful mirror work gold corset on it. You can see the complete mirror locked with the threads, zari thread in it. So beautiful mirror work corset. We have lots of new colors on it like red, black, gold, silver. We have all colors. But in mirror pattern, everyone wants the sleeves. This is the same mirror pattern blouse, but with full sleeves. We have a sweetheart neck, beautiful blouse, beautiful neck work and the cut work on it. You can see this is the full sleeves, full mirror work. The fabric was tissue fabric, the cold tissue fabric. We have lots of colors, and this is the back pattern. Back also has a mirror work, and we have a beautiful strings on it. We have all sizes and colors on it. Then we have a beautiful pearl work blouse. This is our most loved by our customer. You can see purely pearls and crystal on it. This is a pure netted fabric. Then we have a complete sweetheart neck. Then it has a complete pearl work. It has a crystal work, the pearl work, the long pearls work. It has a full sleeve. So this is a more like Bollywood and glimpsy style on it. So you can see the beautiful back. Back has also completely fully beaded work, and these are the tassels. Tassels are also with the pearls. We have more colors on it like white, gold and black on it, and we have a lots of sizes also. Then next we have a beautiful corset. This is our most trending piece on Instagram, on Facebook or by our customer. This is our most loved piece. This is a peplum style corset, and it has a beautiful zircon, mirror, kardana and pipe work on it. You can see the back also. Back also has a thread work. So it has a thread adjustable, and it has a side adjustable also. It has lots of margins. We have more colors on this. Then we have a Bollywood style mermaid blouse. You can see beautiful high neck blouse. It has a beautiful pipe work on neck and like full body pipe work. This is a coconut tree work on it. Then we have a completely multicolor pearls work on it. This is a completely beaded blouse. Then this is the back is also closed, high neck blouse it has, and it has a back adjustable, and side has also margins like every blouses we have, and we have sizes and colors in it. Finally, last but not the least, this is our showstopper piece. You can see the beautiful mirror work with the elbow sleeves. It has a completely mirror work and lock with the zari threads, and it has a beaded work also. It has pearls, mirror and sequence work. You can see the beautiful grace of the blouse, and this is the back. You can see the back was also very beautiful closed neck with the whole window on it, and you can see this is a back closing blouse. These are all new collection. We have a lots of collection or on Insta. If you want to order, please DM me on Insta. Instagram ID is Anjali by Anjali. Thank you.